Looks like the problem is fixed. Let me test to see if the volume is good. And let me check. Okay, guys, if you're new here, my name is Shray and you are watching ShrayTV, baby. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Wherever you are on this beautiful planet, guys, welcome. How are you? Okay, what is happening with the Bitcoin scene? What is happening? I will go over your comments in a little bit. I just want to see what is happening. See, what I see here is Bitcoin in this channel, right? And soon, we will come out of this channel, okay? And I will not be surprised if I see a huge candle heading to $39,000. This is the range I expect the pump to. Between, I would say, 39. Almost close to $40,000. Bitcoin might not touch $40,000, but you could see between 5 to 6% candle. We've gone a little lower, so I would say 7% candle, 6% candle at least. So a 6% candle, yeah, 7 to 8%, because it went down from here. So now I would say, yes, between 7 to 8% candle. I will not be surprised if Bitcoin pulls a 7 to 8% candle from here. Right now, Bitcoin sitting at $36,430. Okay, I think we will get out of the channel, and the candle will look like this: a big green sharinga. Big green sharinga. All the bears are gonna get wrecked again. Okay, so I do expect this color of this thing will be green. It will look like this. Okay, this is a 4 hours chart. So on a daily candle, I would not be surprised if it pulls something like this. A daily candle today, tomorrow, if it pulls a daily candle or weekly candle like this, I would not be surprised if it goes to $39,000, $500, even coming very close to $40,000. How's everyone, man? Hello again. Let's go, baby. I told everyone of my friends to watch you. Hello again. Thank you, brother. Judd B, hi Shray. Hopefully everything is okay now. My ZIL is dropping, but I'm holding strong. I have faith in ShrayTV, baby. Yeah, man. Guys, nothing on the channel is a financial advice, just my opinion. I'm some guy on the internet who loves crypto and my crypto bros. Okay, I have a lot of ZIL. Just to give you a heads up. A lot of ZIL. On Patreon, you asked me a question if it's the right time to buy ZIL. Judd B, I cannot tell you when to buy, when to sell. You know, I'm not a financial advisor, but I have a lot of ZIL, and I think if I were to buy again at this level, I would buy. Okay? Hello again. Please look at GFAL. Okay, guys, you know, there are a lot of messages. Kelsey West, I am taking requests from people who wrote a comment on my previous video, because I mentioned I'm going to check people who comment on my video. This was my previous video, and there are a lot of comments. Comment from Raj Patel. Thank you so much, Shray. Bye. Sorry, couldn't catch you live. That's fine. Roger, thank you, Shray. Fabulous video again. Sure, brother. He's in Australia right now, sleeping. Blake, thanks, bro. Brian, every bottom Shray hits, you know what's coming next. It's ShrayTV. Boom. Yeah, man. Crypto Kelsey. Shray. Okay. Robert Richards, silver just broke the moving averages. I believe that. Thanks, Ray. You have the most accurate squigglies in the business. Chris Wood, thank you, brother. What is the link for your Patreon, boss? Brother, you got to go on my Twitter. And the link is on Twitter for Patreon. Or just Google ShrayTV and Google Patreon. Put Patreon and ShrayTV and you'll come across. But the link is right here on my Twitter. And who else? Who else wrote in comment? Ahmed Ajas, thank you, Shray. Linda. Okay. Paul, thank you, Shray, for your update. Sure. SLB Goons will be millionaires. Absolutely. Awesome. Thanks, Ray. No label. Thanks, bro. Love watching your videos. Thank you for your time. It's great education. Jut B, I see you. The greatest trader of all time. We have to limit. No, we have to meet, bro. Please come anytime to the UK to meet up for roti. Sure, brother. Anytime. Universal codes. So these are the people I'm taking requests from. If you're new, if you're just joining, then I will do an exception. People who have not seen before, but every time people come on live and you take some of them take values and never give value, you know, it helps to promote my channel, right? So you got to comment on the video. Every live stream, I'll see whosoever's on live stream. If they don't comment on the videos, I'm not taking your request, brother. You got to help your brother out. Your brother's helping you out, right? Okay, let's start. Raj, how are you, brother? Tamil Tigers. All good. What's up, crypto, brother? Good, brother. Damn, ICX under 0.04. Randall McMurphy. Tamil Tigers. Let me know if the sound is too loud for you, okay? I wrote a comment 30 seconds ago. Why you not go into games? They are tanking. Okay. Staying strong. Don't give up. From now on, I'll comment every video. Hello again. Okay. Okay. Hello again. You seem new here. So, okay. We'll do that. Okay. Let's just take a look at the market. What's happening? What's happening to the markets? Little red tingle in the market right now. I'll tell you what is happening. Bitcoin 36.5. Okay. I told you not to worry, right? What's happening in the short term? Because that's how I see Bitcoin right here in this channel. It's a daily. Do that 4 hourly. Man, I need to lower the volume. This is too loud for me. Bloody hell. I'm not able to focus. Okay. Better. So yeah, I do think we will get out of this channel. 6 to 8%. What happened to SLP? Have you seen Smooth Love Potion? Had a nice 30% pump in Smooth Love Potion. Right there. And SLP. I turned off my computer now. Every chart I have to reload again. It sucks, but that's how this thing is designed. Look. What happened? I do expect us to go to this level before anything happens. See? The next few days, this can happen. We could go to this level and then come back down because we have to still waste a few days before SLP reaches here, this level here. This is where I'll be taking some profits right here. So a pump off, still time, but a pump off from here, I would say a 200% pump for SLP. Yeah, it'll go to 3618 right here. 3618. Touch here, kiss 3618. Maybe go over a little bit of 3618. But you get the idea. This is where a big, expect a big dump in this region when we reach this region. So we still have a few more days for SLP where we could go a little higher than this previous high, and dump back down. So I would not be surprised if something like this happens in next few days. Go up to this level, and come back down, back again to this level. Okay. And this is where the journey will start going up and then shoot up to this level. A 200% pump for SLP. Many coins, man. Many coins are on the verge of a breakout. A lot of altcoins are right there, right there. You just have to... You see a rocket? What happens to a rocket when you light it up? It takes a little while to, to catch the fire. And once it catches fire, you know what happens to a rocket, right? That's what's going to happen to these altcoins. Straight vertical, okay? They will go vertical. There's a lot of pressure being built right now. And it's going to explode. A lot of pressure. It'll be fun to watch these altcoins. Many altcoins are going to go 10x. Within 90 to 100 days. We have between 90 to 100 days. All the fun's going to happen between 90 to 100 days. That's it. Okay, I would even say until Jan. All the fun might be done by Jan. Zabur Maruf, bro. Good, brother. You have to write a comment. Universal code AVT chart looks like someone with a very rich hand accumulating. Hardik, you have to write a comment for me to take any request, okay? On this video, today's video, you have to write a comment. Okay, so AVT. I was teaching my daughter today. She's only 12. How to chart and secrets of trading. I don't want her to get used to this and think this is easy money. No, it's not easy. She knows how much I work, but I was showing her how to get into it. I'll make my kids work really hard. Even if I have tons and tons of money, I will make them work hard. Because you are doing a disservice to your kids if you don't make them work hard. Because they will not value what you have and ruin your whole empire. You built an empire and they will ruin it. And they could get into drugs or other things. When you don't have anything else to do, you get into bad things. Because kids have a lot of energy. Young people have a lot of energy. That energy needs to go in right things. So I still do think AVT could reach this level. Yeah, if I didn't join the gym at the right age, I would have been an alcoholic. Because all my friends used to drink, smoke, do a lot of other things. But I was into fitness. That's why I never got into all that stuff. I still drink, but moderately, So AVT, yeah, I think we could pump to this level. I've shown you before, right? We could pump to this level and then correct back before going up, okay? So I would not be surprised if we pump to this level right here. Could even, the wick could go to 275 as well, but I would get cautious somewhere around between 210 to, 250. That would be the range where I would get really cautious if you get a pump to the level. I think AVT is going to have a good cycle. It'll have a good cycle. Look at this. It just dumped only this much. All the other cryptos got decimated, and this AVT only dropped 90% and it's already pumping. So yeah, this is in a uptrend, man. I like it. I really like it. And if you do a fib levels, do a fib level to this level here, 618 comes to $90, bro. The 618 comes to $90. 90 bucks, 84, 90 bucks, 618. We'll have to see. Let's see how. Let's do a 618 from here. So, be modest. So, $10. Look in the news today. There are a lot of news in crypto news. Okay, a lot happening right now. Crypto company led by the former NYSE president acquires the news outlet CoinDesk. This is, I should say, good and bad. Okay, bad because now the Wall Street is getting into crypto, which you know what happens when Wall Street get involved. So this guy is into Wall Street, now buying this news outlet. So anyways, I don't even listen to any news, what comes out of CoinDesk. But it's good to know what narrative they're trying to put, okay? So now big guys are getting into the news outlets. So you know what happens after that. I only believe the charts. Okay, in the other news, Kraken accused by SEC of operating unregistered platforms, improperly mixing customer funds. Okay, so just like Binance and Coinbase, now they sued Kraken. I don't know. they can collect. Coinbase, Kraken, Binance should get together and fight SEC together. Together, like these 5 fingers. You slap someone, it's not that bad. But when you punch somebody, it's stronger, right? So they should get together. The U.S. crypto exchange is the latest targeted by the Securities and Exchange Commission in the series of similar actions being fought in the court by other companies. The other companies are Coinbase, Binance. Yeah, these are the major ones. Oh, it says here, Coinbase and Binance. Nothing's going to stop this rally, okay? Nothing. These altcoins are going to explode. They're going to explode like a MF. Good news for crypto in Argentina. First Movers America's crypto-friendly Xavier Milei wins Argentine presidency. So this guy has been very vocal about central banks and, leftist and their agenda. And he loves Bitcoin. So that is a good thing. He loves Bitcoin. I love him. So yeah, man. I've seen a couple of his videos, and the guy is wild. He's wild. Okay, done with the news today. Just to keep you posted, what's going on? Okay. Zabur Maruf, Shray, life is over. LOL. RSR is dumping. What next for RSR? Bro, why are you nervous, wreck? Every time I told you, man, something happens, a little hiccup happens, you go crazy. Why? Don't be like that. Have some faith in your crypto. What was it? RSR. Thanks for the $5 though. Okay. That's what I'm here for. That's what I'm here for, buddy. Look at that. It's sitting nicely, man. It's sitting perfect. Look at that. Nothing to be afraid of. Look at that. This is RSR against Bitcoin, brother. Look at this. do a weekly. Get a better picture. Bro. This is sitting perfectly. Look at this Bitcoin against what? RSR? This is perfect. Perfect. It's sitting. Look at that, man. That you can't get in any better than this. This is just perfect. This could pump anytime, brother. Anytime. Okay. Let's look at the dollar chart. Look at the dump. Look at the wick. Bad dump. How much did it dump? It just dumped a little bit and you're worried, brother. Look at this. Dumped what? 17%? That's it? Come on, man. Yeah, it's a, a little pullback. This is the level. I told you. No need to worry until we get here to this channel. RSR. ICX or LCX? I'm into LCX. LCX, that motherfucker, that motherfucker's gonna pump big time. Okay, LCX. I need to delete these so I'm able to come across hold on. LCX. You know what we'll do here? See what happened to LCX. Look at the daily. Look at the daily. Look. It's just sitting right here, bro. Nothing to worry. We predicted this, right? You see the squiggly? Up and down, and then going up. It's sitting perfectly. When this thing starts to move, the next target should be here. You would see a vertical move, a 300% move. Right here. Not here. Right here, brother. I would not be surprised at all, if LCX makes a move like that. A vertical 1 day or 2 days. When that happens, when I cannot, be certain of that, but when that happens, it'll be vertical. Whichever day decides to pump, it's going to go up like this. Like that. Okay? That would be a 300% move. Yeah, 300% move for LCX. Between 280 to 300% move for LCX. It'll just go vertical. Okay? Vertical. And that's our level where we will take some profits. That's our level where it's going. I would take some profits here as well at this level because I expect a crash, some sort of pullback, come back down, wait a few days, and then before that, before the next move up. Okay. Before the next move up. And when that happens, all that will happen between, I would say 60 to 90 days. 60 to 90 days. You got to have a belief system and patience in your crypto. I don't know, not all cryptos, every crypto has a different cycle, so I don't know your crypto, but this one, yeah, I do think that's where it's going. That's where it's going. Raj, brother, if possible, please chart BCH. Brother, Raj, I told you, brother, about Bitcoin Cash, that it will go up. BCH, BTC. BCH against BTC. You see this? Now it'll start going up. Okay, from now until December, it'll go up. It's not exponential, like crazy amount of gains. Wherever Bitcoin Cash is right now, from here until this level. Okay. So how long it takes? Don't know. But it'll go to this level. Okay. 29, 30%. So what is in the dollar terms? Let's look at Bitcoin Cash into dollar terms. You see that pump? 265? Oh boy. That thing is pumping. BCH. Is that correct? BCH is pumping right now. Let me see. It's 231 here. And on this chart here, it says what? 265. And what's the date today? November 21st. On this exchange, on Bittrex, this is 265. Well, it is what it is. Okay, so let's check Coinbase. BCH on Coinbase. Okay, sitting at 231. So I do expect here. So the next few days and months, I would say until December, we would gradually make this climb up to this level between $290 to $310. Okay. Between now and December, we would waste some time here like that until the end of December, Jan, and we'll start to decline. Our journey back to somewhere between, that all depends on where Bitcoin is sitting, okay? I am bullish about Bitcoin. Bitcoin to hit $42,000 and then probably crash from there. So depending on where it crashes, we will know where Bitcoin Cash price will be. But for now, I would say it'll be between $130 to $170, okay? $130 to $170. The dump could be between $130 to $170 right here. Okay? 130 from 170. Right? That's a big range, I know, but it's still, if it goes to 300 bucks from there, that would be a dump, you know, 40%. So I could accumulate more coins. You know what I mean? So I do expect a dump to these levels. When that happens, I'm gonna go all in into BCH. But right now, I'm bullish. I expect us to go up from $231 Bitcoin Cash to go up at least 29-30% to between 290 to 310. That's the range. I expect Bitcoin Cash to go up. Okay. From now, again, it's going to be slow ass, just like this. Bitcoin Cash is not the one to make. There will be coins which I think will go ballistic, whereas Bitcoin Cash is just going 30%. Other coins could be going 300%. Okay? But, yeah. But I don't think it is going anywhere above this $300 mark. Okay? I don't think so. But again, this is my opinion. Let's put it that way. So far, my opinion's been right. And I do expect before the new cycle for Bitcoin Cash starts, it has one last dump left. One last dump. Many other coins are going to dump too, but for them to dump, they have to pump aggressively to absorb that dump that is going to come in first quarter of 2024. I expect a big dump in first quarter of 2024 to absorb that dump. There are many cryptos which are down 99%. They have to pump. They have to pump. There's no other way. If this happens, I will run naked through the whole UK. What do you... You talking about LCX, brother? But what GFL will do? Everyone talks about it. GFL? Okay. Would you ever look at Jasmine? Universal codes. I looked at Jasmine, bro. There's a video for Jasmine. There's a short video that I just posted 2-3 days ago. Not 2-3 days ago, about a week ago for Jasmine. If you just type Jasmine and, just look at my videos and you will see Jasmine in it. Jasmine, I think, is going to 10x, between 10 to 15x whenever it starts pumping. Can you chart Tor swap? Charles, I've never seen you comment on any of my videos. Bro, I'm only taking requests from people, Did you write a comment on my last video? Okay, so let me look at GFAL. This is something new I haven't looked at before. Wow, is that the crypto? GFAL? How much did it pump already? Look. From the bottom. Oh, it's only pumped 600%. That's not bad, brother. That's not bad. Let's see what's the market cap for games for a living. What is it called? GFAL? $62 million market cap. So not available on any big exchange. Okay, let's look at the chart. Very short, I would say. Just very little history for me to chart, but I'll still take a look at it. Just came out in 2023. Bro, I can't, I'll have to give some time to it. But it's an upward trajectory and it's a bull market. So until Jan, I am bullish on everything. So this could run. If I'm bullish until Jan, this could run like a MF. Yeah, at least 100%. This could run at least 100%. I don't know what happens after that, you know? I feel very weird about getting into new coins, man. Because they could just go to zero. New coins. But especially if they release during a bear market. Or just at the top of the bull market. Then they could go to zero. Yeah, well, we can't do anything about it. This is too new. Stray, can you check Elon? Sure. Realm will do the same. Still at the beginning. I could name you 50 projects in gaming that will soon do 100x. I need 50x, bro. I need 50x and I'll be out. And I want to be in a good project. Good project when I say that is blue chip. A blue chip will act like a shit coin, okay? That is Bitcoin Cash. It'll act like a shit coin. It's going to go to the moon. That's where I'm putting my chips, okay? Rest of the other garbage, I'm just gonna, you know, I have some gambling money, you know, that I do gamble. I already am into those coins. I have gaming coins, SLP, Smooth Love Potion, which are already doing well. I bought them really dirt cheap, really dirt cheap. I bought them when it was 99.70% down. So I cannot go wrong on that. You know, I have millions. When I say that means the coins. Yeah. And, you know, if it goes to 5 cents, 3 cents, bro, I'm set. I'm set. So I don't want to be in multiple projects. I want to concentrate my money in as fewer projects as possible. So that way I'm able to take profits. Because some coin always going to do 100x, 200x, 1000x. Again, that's not real money. It's the founders manipulating the markets. It's the crypto groups who pump and dump these cryptos because it's not regulated. Right now, they can do whatever, right? We can make a group here and say, hey, let's pump this coin. You know, I can make a group with my 5 friends and say, hey, it's a small market cap, say $100,000, $200,000 market cap coin. We can pump, you know, put in $4 or $5 million and boom, you know, that thing goes to the moon. And people all pile in when they see the green candles, right? Everyone wants to pile in green candles. And what happens? You know, people cash out, right? Founders cash out, early investors cash out, and you're left with this in hand. Big one. Yeah, not doing that again. No. So we were looking at what? Elon. Okay, Elon. What did I say? It would go up and then come back down. One more low left, right? Didn't I say? You know, I set it to this level, you know, but see, went to this level, came back down. Yeah, I'm not worried, bro. Look, Elon has time. It's not Elon's time yet. When the time will come, you will know. Okay? Elon's gonna do really well, but it'll make you wait. It'll make you wait. What it does from now until this, I don't think it might come very close to its previous bottom. I would not be surprised. If you see my previous videos, I've mentioned that. You know, but this was the bottom for Elon. This right here. This right here was the bottom for Elon. Could it make a double bottom? Yeah, it can make a double bottom. Maybe go a little lower than that just to wake you up, shake you up. All right, it's possible. But I'm not worried about that. But when Elon starts to move, it's going to move like this, right? This thing's going to move. It has a nice community. So Elon's going to do well. But whatever you see here will look like a tiny little teeny mini chart like that. When Elon starts to move, what's going to do? It's going to be like this. Right? Like that. dump back down, and then the final move. Okay, for Elon, that's how the final move will look. That's how the chart will look. Okay, so it's still time for Elon. Again, this is the bottom where Elon's sitting right now. We are in that range, where it could waste, it has to waste the first quarter, Q1. No matter where it goes up at this time, it could possibly go up to this level, But again, whenever it goes to this level, is it going to go now or later? I don't know how it's going to act, but if it tries to go up to this level, it's going to dump back down again. Okay, because this is not time for Elon yet. So it could possibly go to this level. As I said, when, I don't know. I can't predict that, but it will go above this high right here. Okay, and when that happens, it's going to dump back down before the final move up. Okay. Universal code, would you look at Dash? The chart looks like an astronaut's helmet. I see 15,000% waiting to pop. But SLP is 200 million market cap. Others are $5 million market cap. That don't mean shit, brother. SLP is world's #1 game. And the founders have billions of dollars. They have made billions of dollars from last bull run, right? And the game already has 2 to 3 million people playing that game. Okay, your new game, any Joe Schmo, I can make a video game, with an AI now, and put out a coin. Who's gonna play that coin? Who's gonna, who's gonna play that game? Who's behind the crypto is very important, right? Right now, would I trust a company who has at least a couple of $1 billion with them, or a new company which is trying to get capital, which is market cap? They don't even have $5 million. Who would I trust? With a person who has $1 billion, or a person who has $5 million? Which product I would feel more safe? Which is not going to disappear with my money. Yeah, but again, there are a lot of people who have invested like $500, $1,000. That, according to me, it's like nothing. If somebody has that kind of money, that hey, you can play with these coins. But somebody with big capital, these are not the coins that you want to fuck around with. Right? Get into blue chips, because some of the blue chips are gonna have phenomenal returns. Phenomenal. That means I think 50x is a lot of money for me. Oh my God, even 20, 30x is a lot of money. People don't realize it's 20 times the money, bro. And it's easier to get out of these coins because they have billions of dollars in market cap. Billions, right? This will be, I think, the second last time you could make money, because there's one more time left. When this pump happens in 2024, I feel the bull market will be over in 2024. A lot of people will wait till 2025, and they're going to repeat what happened to them in 2020, right? She's gonna go up, and they will not cash out, and boom, she's gonna, by 2025, end of 2025, start of 2026, everything will be in the gutter, back again, okay? And that will be the last time to buy crypto cheap, and then it'll never come back down. When I say never, that means it's not gonna go through these huge swings that it goes up and then comes back down all the way 90%, 95%. There won't be crazy swings like that. It'll be more like a stock market. Once crypto reaches about $10 trillion, between $8 to $10 trillion market cap, it'll be very difficult. There's a lot of money, a lot of institutions, everything's involved in it. So, they won't be able to manipulate. Someone can manipulate a $1 trillion market cap, okay? But once it goes to like $8 to $10 trillion, it becomes huge, right? So, yeah, I think it's the second last opportunity for us to make money. There will be one more opportunity that'll come in 2026 to buy these things really cheap. But that will be the last time you'll be able to buy these things cheap. After that, to the moon, baby. To the moon and say bye-bye. Okay. We will see. I'll keep you posted. You know, see. It depends on how quickly we go up. Right now, how much games we play. Bitcoin, as soon as the bull market will be confirmed for me, as soon as we reach. Look at this. Look at this. Fake coin. Look at this fake dump. What happened to the fake dump? Look at this. Came right on the channel. Came back up again. You see that? Look at that. Look at that. You saw that candle was purely red just few minutes ago. It just touched this channel and went up. Got people nervous, man. Got people nervous. I'm telling you, a candle like this is coming to $39,000. Between 39, it'll come very close to $40,000, but might not touch $40,000. That's why I think Bitcoin's going. Okay? Let me rest a little bit. I've been talking. Give me a sec. Okay, you answered my question verbally. Shrey, do you still think 17K BTC is coming? Appreciated. I don't think right now, bro, because we spend too much time in this range, 35, 37. If we're supposed to drop, we would have dropped by now. And yeah, I don't think the final thing that will take my bearishness, I have a little bear left, a small bear left. Okay, a 10% bear, 90% bull, right? That 10% bear, if we hit $39,000, $39,000 to $40,000, that bear will kick that bear out. You know, I'll go 100, no 200, 1,000% bull. Okay, the moment we reach $39,000, $40,000, the bull market is on like a Donkey Kong. Okay, it'll be crazy, bro. We'll see pullbacks. Okay, we'll see pullbacks, but nothing to worry. This is a very critical level, between $35,000 to $38,000, very critical level. Okay, there is a chance where we could go to 17,000, 16,500. There is a chance, yeah. But the more time we spend, those chances decrease, okay? Those chances decrease. If we hit $39,000, $40,000, boy, oh boy. The bull market is on, boys. Universal code price for Dash. Let's look at Bitcoin. Dash against Bitcoin. Pretty chart, man. See something like this happening, going up to this level, coming back down again, and then the bull market for Dash starts. How far up will it go? I don't know, bro. You know, I'm just drawing squiggly, but we could, you know, Dash could pump to this level right here, and then dump back down before the final pump starts. Okay, so I think it's ready for the pump. It's ready for the pump. It's bloody. Okay. weekly. Something like this, okay? And then the bull market starts for Dash. Let's look at the dollar chart. Dash, dollar chart. It's good to be uber bullish, but what happens is I hate those scam wicks. A scam wick could touch these levels, you know, $7,000-8,000, but don't be overly crazy that, hey, Shray said that $7,000-8,000. No, but what could happen is this is the big resistance right here, and see, it tried to touch that, failed. It tried second attempt, failed. Come back down, and it'll try to touch that again one more time, right? So when that happens, again, first Dash has to prove that it has the capacity to get out of this, okay? Get out of this mess that we are in. It's a falling wedge. Again, falling wedges are bullish, but has to reach these levels. So I would say let's do a 618. 618. Yeah, I mean 618 is calling for these numbers as well, bro. 7. I don't know. 7,000. That would be crazy, bro. It's sitting at $29. That's crazy numbers, but I like to be modest, you know, so just say let's do a triangle. Can it come back down one more time? Yes, it can, okay, to these levels. Not going to go any lower than $13 or $10, $11. You know, if it goes down, then this will be the level, end of it. If it does, okay? Just saying, if it does, then it might come and kiss again. It might come and kiss this level right here. It's possible before going up, okay? Don't be shocked if that happens. I won't be shocked if that happens. It would come and kiss, say goodbye to this level one more time, and then the real bull starts. You know, I would say $2 grand, 25 to $3,000, $4,000 for Dash. It's possible, but first it has to break this level, which is right here. It's in this channel right there. It has to break this channel. That is $140. It's $150. Very important level for it to break. Okay, if it doesn't break that, then okay. Yeah, time for Dash will come. Look at that, man. Shame I can't be in everything. MX Vision, where do you think bricks will go? It's a Fortnite coin. RDOP. Dollar is the king, bro. For another 10 years, dollar will be the king of all currencies. Yeah, dollar, DXY. I expect DXY to go down to 2026, but after that, I'm very bullish on DXY because I expect they will ruin all other currencies on the planet to get the new financial system, to get crypto, to get digital currencies and all that into implemented. What they're going to do is they're going to destroy all the other currencies. That's what I think is going to happen. And US dollar will play a huge role in it. All right, so let's look at DXY. DXY. Look, I had levels that'll go to 107. Look at that. You see, it kissed 107 DXY. Came right on my level, bro. I wasn't even keeping track. I charted this a while ago. It was like, where are we going? And stop there, and boom, that's it. Now, from now, the journey starts for DXY to go down until 2026. Okay, it goes down until 2026. In between, again, there will be a pump in between, a small pump, but the levels that I think is going to go down is to these levels, okay? These levels right here. 90, even it's possible it reaches 83, okay? By 2026. So, I expect it to do something like this, okay? DXY. Something like this. Come to this channel, get a little rebound, and go back down again. Come to this level, have some sort of rebound. But then this 83 to 85 dollar mark, that is possible. Once that happens, though, dollar goes to the moon, brother. Dollar goes to the moon. And dollar's gonna go crazy, brother. Dollar's gonna go crazy after that. Have you heard about the dollar milkshake theory? That is going to come true. That is going to come true. A lot of people are, what they anticipate is right, but the timing is wrong. Okay? So I like the guy who does the dollar milkshake theory, but his timing could be wrong. The dollar goes down first, and then after that, there's a huge moon for dollar, which just goes crazy, brother. That's where everyone will turn to crypto all around the world. Every country's currency will be like in the shitters. So what they're gonna do? They'll have CBDC. Everyone, people who don't want to buy crypto, they'll buy dollars because it'll be way better than their currency. So it's called the milkshake theory. It's the dollarization of the whole world. Once we get the CBDC digital dollar, right now, Argentina, the president of Argentina already announced that he wants to do dollar. In El Salvador, they're already using dollar. They're using dollar and they're using Bitcoin. So Argentina announced, the new president announced that he's going to take the peso out and he's going to use dollar. So what about these small countries? What are they going to do? If their currency is just going crazy, they will switch to dollar because it's easier now, digital. Even if they don't, their people will buy digital dollar, or USDT, Tether. It's very easy. So I think the whole world right now is already, people who are into crypto, they don't realize they've been dollarized already. And dollar is the king currency. It's not Bitcoin. It's the dollar. Dollar is the king currency. And it will, what's going to happen once it dumps in this bull market? What are you going to convert into? You convert your money. You want to buy something, you're going to convert into dollars. So in the bull market, when you cash out, what are you going to cash out in? Dollars, right? So dollars downturn will come, but not now. Not now. I think 2030, until 2030, I'm bullish for dollar. Dollar goes crazy. dollar goes crazy, I think, by 2030. There's a downturn happens for dollar, and the worst downturn will come until 2026. From now until 2026. But yeah, man, great times. What a world we are living in. Whatever we are witnessing here is historical. We are shaping the new century or next 200 years. Whatever's happening right now is huge, man. Everything going digital. It's just, people don't realize what kind of impact's gonna happen. It's crazy. But with every crisis, there's an opportunity. Those crises, those times when you have money at the right place, and buy the blood. That's how millionaires and billionaires are made. It's a shame, but if you know what's gonna happen next until 2030, you know, if you if you sleep on it, man, your future generation, you know, this guy, what's his name? The older guy, you know, he says that, Grandpa, what were you doing when all this was happening? You know, did you have your thumb in your ass? Right, you don't want to be that guy, you know. So a lot of money will be made, man. It's exchange, transfer of money. And the concept of money, they're gonna inflate the money to crazy amounts. Even the dollar, the shittiest currency. Out of all the shitty fiat currencies, dollar will be the best currency. You know, what I'm trying to say is, again, but my money will be in Bitcoin Cash. When it drops in 2026, 2025, when it drops lower, all my money, I will, you know, from that time until I live, will be going into Bitcoin Cash. Anything I make, you know, if I have a side business, I have a motel, I have apartment buildings, whatever I have, whatever money I make, after 2026, I'll be dollar cost averaging into Bitcoin Cash. No other crypto. Bitcoin Cash, that's it. Because I'll be already, you know, this bull run, our life will be set. But after that, to make sure your money do not, like, it stays in purchasing power, right? That's why you buy, you know, Bitcoin or Bitcoin Cash. But Bitcoin Cash will have more value compared to Bitcoin, because I feel right now it's just like when Bitcoin Cash drops to $150, it's just like buying Bitcoin at $150 when it goes to $20,000. And I do think Bitcoin Cash will hit $25,000 at some point in this cycle. I do expect Bitcoin Cash to go between, I would say, between $5,000 to $12,000. $5,000 to $12,000 Bitcoin Cash. That is crazy. Going from $100 to $5,000 is a lot of money. A lot of money. That's crazy. And it's a large cap. And it's a fork off Bitcoin. Nobody can touch it. No Gary Gensler can touch Bitcoin Cash. You know. It'd be crazy. Free, appreciate you, Shray. Thank you, brother. Yeah, Bitcoin Cash is the real deal. People don't realize now, you know. Once it goes to that level that I'm talking about, I'm going to make video about Bitcoin Cash. Okay? It's going to be huge. You know, what's happening right now is we are in an awesome time. Awesome. We're all going to be rich. Oh, you know. People who have taken risk, they'll be rewarded. They will be rewarded, you know. We waited all this time. I tell my friend, you know, man, you don't know how rich we are going to be. It's going to be crazy. It's going to be crazy. Universal codes. Yeah, man. I get so happy. I cannot, you know, I was talking to my buddy. I was like, you don't know what's coming, bro. You don't know what's coming. You know? It's amazing. Yeah. This something like this happens once in 100 years. The opportunity that's coming to us, that happens once in 100 years. Once it's gone, it's gone. Okay. This is where everything happens, bro. You know, it's fun. I love it. I love it. Okay. Let us see. What is pumping and what is dumping? Chronotech time. Well, talking about time, there was another crypto called what was it called? A Wonderland. One of my Patreon had Wonderland. Let me see. And that thing is called Time as well. Look at that. That shit went down to crazy town. Wonderland went down to crazy town. Okay, not able to see. Okay, 3-day chart. Is this still alive? Let's see, it's still alive. We have a chart only until October 2022. So we don't have chart for this. This thing, hold on, let me see. This project shut down or what? Yeah, let's see on trading view. Yeah, looks like it's gone, bro. Oh, Wonderland right here. It's there. Gate.io. Still there. Still alive. October. No, I only have until October on this. I think it's dead. This project is called Time. Yeah, dead. Looks dead. But anyways, we tried. What's this? Matt Super Farm. Elio Trades, the guy YouTube channel. That's his project, I think. Super Farm. Let's chart Super Farm. Super Farm. I think Super Farm. Why does CoinMarketCap don't have Super Farm? Okay, Super Farm. No more chart here. Let's look at here. Super. Super Farm is on Coinbase. That's surprising, man. Elio Trades have connections, that means. They listed this thing on Coinbase. Wow. How much did it dump? Not bad. 96% dump. Not bad. Still don't trust this shit though. You know? Making a nice pattern. But this pattern could possibly turn bearish. If we are not able to hold this level, this thing can go to dump land. Okay? Gotta be careful. Gotta be careful. You know, it's Elio. Looks like a nice guy, you know. But once his project is out there, the market maker is controlling it. Okay? It's not in his hands, basically. So, yeah, until we get out of this channel, anything can happen. What's the market cap for Super Farm? Let's see. Super. Why is it not coming up? Super farm. It's listed on Coinbase. Why is it not popping up on surprising. Well, let's find it this way. Super versus pumping. What about Super Farm? Ben is pumping. Muji Water, Fuji Water, Shray. Let's check out them oldies, Deso and Zill. Bro, I already made a Zilliqa video. Zilliqa is about to pop, bro. Any day. Any day. And it's going to pop 10x. It's going to pop to 10x. Zilliqa between 20 to 23 cents. Okay, Zilliqa. Because I was looking at Zilliqa's chart against Bitcoin. It's crazy. Look at that. Zilliqa. If you look at Zilliqa Bitcoin chart, you would go crazy, bro. Crazy. It's craziness. This is Zilliqa's chart against Bitcoin. If you see this craziness, look at that, man. It's just ready, bro. Look at this triangle. It went to almost all the way to the end. You know, all the way to the end, brother. And expect a pump any day for Zilliqa. And look at that, where it's going, where the pump's going. Look at that. To these levels. When it pumps, going to go above these levels. It's going to pump like this, straight vertical. When it starts, the pump starts, it goes bloody vertical like that. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Obviously, it's going to be very tumultuous when it comes down to this region. You know, waste a lot of time. Could possibly come back one more time here before the final run. Before the final run for the Zilliqa. Okay. But 20 to 23 cents. That's my target. Look at that. From here. Look at that, bro. At least between 9 to 10x. 10x. Easy. Easy peasy. Look at the dollar chart. Zilliqa. Again, not all cryptos are going to pump. Not all cryptos are going to pump like the way few of these cryptos are going to pump. Because these cryptos have waited a long time. And this is a layer one. Do I think Ethereum, Ethereum's taking all the limelight. But think about, when computers came out, we used to use DOS system, right? Do kids these days, do they know what was DOS? DOS. There was a black screen, and you had to type a command to, so that your message goes to a other computer. You have to have a command. But now the UI changed. Now the search engine came. Yeah, the whole UI when a computer internet was being used, we used to use DOS when in the school. So it was crazy. Black screen with green letters. So Ethereum is like DOS, we are going to see something really cool come out that we'll talk about. Oh, we used to talk about Ethereum. It's very primitive. Technology changes and Ethereum will be replaced. Okay. it could be replaced by Zilliqa. You know, Zilliqa could be primitive, but it's way better than Ethereum. I think Zilliqa is way better than Ethereum. And it's just a matter of time. People realize when blockchain comes into functionality, when everything turns digital, suddenly overnight, when digital euro comes out, digital dollar comes out, digital yuan is already out there, digital rupee, when that happens, when money becomes digital, when it comes on blockchain, this is when big changes starts to happen. Exponential growth, exponential. When that happens, you know, Ethereum will be very expensive for a company to afford. And people will realize the flaws with Ethereum. And, you know, it's so easy. You could have another blockchain like Zilliqa or something else, right? So, yeah. I think Zilliqa is going to do really well. Really, really well. It's just a matter of time. This is the level, you know, between 18 cents to 23 cents. Come very close to its previous all-time high right here. 22, 23 cents. Yeah. Expect to crash there. But until then, I'm very bullish on Zilliqa. Zilliqa, you know, when it starts to move, it's going to move like this, brother. You know. Big move, okay, for Zilliqa. Expect a big move for Zilliqa coming. Okay, how long have we been here? We have been here more than an hour. More than an hour. Hour and 16 minutes. It's a good live. Good live. I'll take off, guys. Okay? I'll keep you posted. If anything happens in between, I will start to go live on random times. Sometimes I want to catch the audience in Australia. So sometimes if I'm awake early in the morning, like 4 o'clock in the morning, I would go live to see, you know, my folks in Australia. There are a lot of people from Australia and New Zealand who watch this channel, and, you know, people from India. So yeah, you will see me going on random times. If something exciting is happening, I would go live stream it. Okay, I will see you later. Have a good one. Adios.